Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Interactions at hospitals or pharmacies. Hello. Hello. How can I help? How can I help? I have a fever. I have a fever. Since when? Since when? Since last night. Since last night. Any other symptoms? Any other symptoms? My throat hurts. My throat hurts. Do you have a cough? Do you have a cough? Just a little. Just a little. I see. I see. Let's check your temperature. Let's check your temperature. Sure. Sure. It's 38 degrees. It's 38 degrees. That's a bit high. That's a bit high. Could it be the flu? Could it be the flu? Let's run a test. Let's run a test. Will it be quick? Will it be quick? About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. I'll wait. I'll wait. Thank you. Thank you. The results are ready. The results are ready. How did it go? How did it go? It's not the flu. It's not the flu. That's a relief. That's a relief. Do I need medicine? Do I need medicine? Yes, I'll prescribe some. Yes, I'll prescribe some. Should I take it after meals? Should I take it after meals? 3 times a day. 3 times a day. Anything else I should do? Anything else I should do? Get plenty of rest. Get plenty of rest. I'll drink plenty of water. I'll drink plenty of water. That's very important. That's very important. Should I stay home? Should I stay home? Take today off. Take today off. I understand. I understand. Get well soon. Get well soon. Thanks. Thanks. Where's the pharmacy? Where's the pharmacy? It's on your right. It's on your right. Is it easy to find? Is it easy to find? You can't miss it. You can't miss it. That really helps. That really helps. If I feel worse again? If I feel worse again? Come back anytime. Come back anytime. I will. I will. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. Feel better. Feel better. Let's enjoy it. Let's enjoy it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.